In the year 2020, Halloween landed on a full moon night. What is this? It looks like some kind of old cookbook or something. How to cook a zombie?
Hello there everyone, welcome to Miami Cooking. I'm Azita, and happy Halloween! I have the perfect menu for your Halloween, starting with a pumpkin cheese snack, some monster eggs, and these little creatures I created with apples, a zombie or monster entree, and a special dessert. Make sure to click through all my Halloween videos on the Halloween playlist. And don't forget to click that subscribe button.
First, we're going to season this with our salt. You want to make sure to cover from side to side. Then we're going to use our pepper. Make sure to cover it as well. Now we're going to grab our onion powder. You want to sprinkle this from side to side, but in a zigzag pattern. Now our garlic powder, make sure you do the same. And last, we're going to go for our onions, our diced onions, and make sure to spread that all around. Now we're going to add in our garlic. Next, our carrots, the orange bell pepper, the diced tomato. Next is our egg, our breadcrumbs, and last, we're going to use that jar of tomato sauce. Now let's get a little crazy with the green food coloring and mix it all up. Now for some more wet ingredients. We're going to add our ketchup and mustard, our olive oil, and last, our sugar. Now we're going to need our plastic cup and our glove. Make sure you choose a powder-free glove. Now you're going to use the edges of that glove and wrap them around the edges of the cup. But first of all, you want to cut a hole in your cup like I did here, to make sure there's no air pressure built up inside. This will make it easier to fill in your glove. Now massage your fingers, making sure you get that meat all the way to the fingertips. Give your zombie a little massage. I recommend cutting little tiny holes on the tips of the fingers to make sure there's no air bubbles inside your zombie hands. Make sure you push the meat all the way to the tip without releasing too much from those little holes. This recipe is enough to fill 3 large gloves, and with the rest you can create a giant zombie heart. Now we just have to place these in the freezer. We are going to freeze these for about 4 hours to help that shape solidify. Once you feel that the meat is semi-solid, you're going to start cutting the glove. Make sure that your oven pan is greased with some cooking spray. Now you're going to cover your meat with some aluminum foil, set the oven to 375 degrees, and cook this for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now 45 minutes later, and this is our result, our zombie meatloaf. For some more Halloween recipes, be sure to check out my channel's Halloween playlist. Be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Miami Cooking with Azita on Instagram.